man though. Cause half these niggas snitching bitches in this North Pole. If a nigga's real, bitch, stand up, ho. Cause I ain't seen a real nigga in so fucking long. Cause all you niggas snitching scary and you're fucking wrong. Doing dumb shit. But you a man though. Sucking dick for lineups. But you's a man, ho. Come on, keep this shit real, cause I'm a gangster though. Cause half you niggas faking, acting like you're rapping though. But not a factor, nigga. You won't invest it, ho. You think you're gonna win? But you're a maggot though. You can't let the North Pole represent the coast. Cause all you niggas snitching, look at us making us bad though. Cause we some real niggas in this North Pole. Cause I know a few niggas, but I know 100 slow. Fake fag niggas snitching on that fag, yeah. Bitch, you never manned it up, bitch, with no fucking gas. Fuck these niggas, bitches, bootsies, they some fucking hoes. Cause none of these niggas, bitches, niggas are no man though. Fuck these niggas, bootsy. I'ma tell you though, if I see a weak snitch nigga around you though, check that nigga. Cause he's a snitch though. Don't tell that nigga your business, cause he